Welcome to my Geometric and Dimensional Constraints course. This course is complementary to the Actions and Parameters course, so please check out both. Before we get started, it is highly recommended that you are extremely proficient with AutoCAD, especially the 2D commands and the dimensioning. It helps that you have a bit of mathematical understanding, but it's not essential. Most of the formulas are fairly simple or are provided for you. I don't spend lots of time going over settings and looking at the interface. I'm going to assume that you already know how to do this. Instead, I dive straight in with practical examples that will allow you to get familiar with constraints and dimensions straight away. I try and keep them fun and exciting, and what you'll notice is there's some crossover between the parameters and actions and the constraints courses, so you can compare and contrast the two methods and see what works best for you. In addition to the courses that are available online, I also have practice exercises, written instructions, downloadable reference files, and formulas available. Please check the link in the descriptions. If you have any questions or you'd just like to share your work with me, please reach out. I always love to see how my lessons are being used in the real world. Thank you so much for joining in, and let's get started.